How do cultural differences impact UX usability testing? Imagine designing a website or app that feels natural to users in one country but confusing or even offensive to users in another. That's the power of cultural differences in usability testing. When we test digital products across different cultures, we see how people interpret and interact with interfaces in unique ways. These differences aren't just about language. They include expectations, social norms, values, and emotional reactions. For example, colors can mean different things in different places. A red button might symbolize danger in some cultures but good luck in others. Gestures like thumbs up can be positive in many countries but offensive elsewhere. Reading directions also matter. Western users tend to read from left to right, so navigation flows naturally that way. But in countries where people read from right to left, like Arabic or Hebrew, the layout might need to be flipped for clarity. If designers ignore these differences, usability testing results can be misleading. Participants from different backgrounds may give feedback based on their cultural norms, not the actual usability of the product. For instance, users from individualistic cultures might prefer features that let them personalize their experience. In contrast, users from collectivist cultures might focus more on community or group features. During testing, communication styles vary too. Some cultures are more direct and critical, while others avoid negative feedback to keep harmony. This influences how users respond to surveys or interview questions. To get accurate results, it's best to recruit native participants who understand local customs and behaviors. Adapting test questions and tasks to fit cultural norms helps gather genuine feedback. It's also helpful to consider cultural dimensions like how much hierarchy influences behavior or how comfortable people are with uncertainty. These factors shape how users respond to design elements and tasks. When working with Adobe tools like Adobe Experience Design or Adobe Photoshop, understanding these cultural nuances is key. You can create prototypes that are culturally appropriate and test them with real users from those backgrounds. Features like Adobe XD's user testing options and localization tools make it easier to gather insights from diverse audiences. In the end, cultural differences shape how users perceive, respond to, and give feedback on digital products. Recognizing and respecting these differences during usability testing leads to designs that work well across the globe. For Adobe UX designers, keeping cultural awareness in mind means creating interfaces that are not only functional but also respectful and engaging for all users.